active until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in North Carolina: Bladen, Columbus, Duplin, and Robeson. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. And now taking a look at the forecast for the local...
Yay, we got a second severe thunderstorm watch. Yay!